If you want to first set up your Poco C85, first of all, just select your language. Now go forward to select your region, so we can go into the search pool and input your region name. By the way, if you don't know how to turn on this device for some reason, you have to just click and hold the power key. Now we got the terms and the conditions, so we have to click that we have read, and we have to click here. Then we have to click next. Now, as you can see, we are able to transfer date if you want to do this. So we can transfer date from Android device or iPhone. I'm gonna skip this step because you can also do this later. And right now you can insert a SIM card. So the SIM slot is located right here on the left upper corner of the device frame. You will have to use SIM tool, open it, take it off, and here we are able to input the SIM cards, 2 SIM cards and the memory card. But for this video, I'm gonna actually skip this step. I don't want to input any of my SIM cards, and right now we are able to use this connection to the Wi-Fi network. You can click on the network that you want to connect and input its password and click connect. But you are also able to skip this step if you want. And now you can set a screen lock. You can also set the fingerprint. The fingerprint sensor is located right here. It's built into the power key, and you are also able to add the face unlock. In my case, I would like to add the simple pattern. You can also select PIN or password, click that you've got it, and now just start with your password. Then you have to click confirm. And now after you input your password, you have to use this Google account sign in. So you will have to input your email or phone number, and then click next to input your password. Or if you don't have Google account, you have to click to create account. Or if you don't want to add your Google account right now, we can also do this later if you want by clicking skip on the left bottom corner. So we got actually 3 options. We can add, we can create, or we can skip this step. Now as you can see, we got this screen lock that I just showed you. And as you can see over here, we can stay with the location, but I will recommend you to turn off allow scanning, and also turn off send usage and diagnostic data. Click accept in the right bottom corner. Now we have to choose the browser and the search engine. Click next, and over here I'm gonna use Google Chrome, and also recommend you, it's one of the best browsers. Click to set as default, and also you have to go for the Google browser. For the Google search engine, I prefer this one, it's the best for me. Now we can click OK in the right bottom corner. We just have to wait a few moments to get our phone ready. Over here, I will turn off this send usage and diagnostic date, and also turn off user experience program, and click next in the right in the bottom corner. Over here, we can turn on the parental controls if you want, but in my case, I'm not gonna actually do this. Here we can change font. I'm gonna use Mi Sans. Click next, and here we can set up the lock screen carousel. So this is the function that will allows us to change the lock screen wallpaper automatically. I don't like this option, and I'm gonna skip this. I just want to get one wallpaper. Here we can set the launcher, so we can get classic one with all apps on the screen, or with the classic app drawer, and that's what I prefer. Click next. Now don't install all of those recommendations. It's a bloatware. Click next. Now we can select the system navigation method between the full screen gestures or classic 3 buttons navigation. Click next. And now, as you can see, just wait for preparing system and the process will be finished.